Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by enabling your phone's tethering now. On Android or iPhone, open Network Settings, turn on Mobile Data, then enable Wi-Fi hotspot or plug your USB cable and enable USB tethering. Make sure battery and data are sufficient. Tethering can use a lot of power and cellular data. Note the hotspot SSID and password or the USB device name shown by the phone. Once done, your phone becomes the internet source, and the desktop can find that network immediately. Next, connect the desktop to the phone. For Wi-Fi, open your desktop Wi-Fi menu, pick the hotspot SSID, enter the password, and wait for an IP address. For USB tethering, let the OS install drivers, then open Network Settings and verify the tethered adapter has an IP4 address. Once connected, set the network as metered to prevent large updates, and check DNS or proxy settings if your workplace requires them. Make sure the desktop shows internet access, and test a quick web page to confirm. To finish, verify stability by loading several websites and a streaming short clip to confirm throughput. Close background sync or cloud apps to conserve mobile data, enable browser data saver, and move closer to the phone for better signal. If pages are slow or fail, toggle the hotspot or USB tethering off and on, restart the phone and desktop, and check your mobile APN and tethering permissions. If drivers are missing on USB, reinstall or use Wi-Fi hotspot as a fallback. That single step often fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.